It's the end of an era. After 18 years, the iconic home button is officially gone. Introducing the new iPhone 16e, the most affordable way to experience Apple's latest tech. Sleek and modern, it features a stunning 6.1-inch OLED display with no chunky bezels. Touch ID, that's a thing of the past. With Face ID, just one glance and it's unlocked. And yes, it charges with USB-C. Finally, equipped with a powerful 48MP camera, this phone proves that one lens can do it all. Minimal colors, maximum power, all driven by Apple's brand new A18 chip. It looks like an iPhone 14, but runs like a beast, starting at just $599. Say goodbye to the past and hello to the future. The iPhone 16e drops February 28th. Are you ready to upgrade?